Hello, last day here. So kita nak buat final call untuk buy some souvenirs. It's just mana kita nak beli dah sikit dekat Magnum. We bought a lot of chocolate. I bought a lot of chocolate. Yesterday nothing much sebab I lodge a police report and jumpa Yandex go batu balik semua untuk cari my phone, and it turns out memang tak ada kan. So macam pelik, so macam totally gone. Faham tak? So I guess memang phone I kena curi, and my instinct saying that Yandex driver took my phone, because during that time I macam tengah tidur and I put my phone atas pun. So I guess so. Tak baik nak menuduh, tapi that's the alibi. There's alibi. I remember my story the way, sebab I memang bawa, and then the CCTV pun macam tunjuk dekat satu tempat je, yang dekat luar tu tak ada, sebab dia kata dummy. So macam whatever. So that's macam ada 2 hari tu macam I terpaksa skip sebab I really don't have mood, sebab my picture semua tak sempat nak sync to my iCloud lagi tau. So dah lah phone hilang, gambar semua tak ada. So macam a bit sad. Phone satu hal, kau ingat aku banyak duit ke nak beli phone baru. Second thing is gambar semua tak sync lagi dekat my iCloud. Itu masalah dia. People out there, even though you are in Yandex, please make sure that your phone is in the bag, or need to be extra careful. Dia macam baik gila barang wholesale, but I think it's from China. So I mean, tapi the goods is really cantik, macam menarik. I rasa macam nak beli sebab whatever lah, counterfeit ke tak kan. Tengok ni, Apple Watch.
Serious lah, like where do I find the fakeness?
Huh?
Where do I find the fakeness in
China semua benda boleh, tapi whatever lah. Cuba kau tanya harga dia. Tak boleh lah duduk sini, takut terjebak. Macam, you know what, you know kan, even my iPhone semalam pun made in China.
Yeah.
Dari kotak tu. So what do you expect? I rasa dia punya quality is same good. So
Patutlah semua orang pakai 17 Pro kat sini je.
yeah,
Like everyone pakai 17
everyone
Pro.
faham.
Takkan 17 Pro pun nak je.
So I guess diorang punya bag-bag yang kononnya counterfeit, memang harga dia, memang dia punya quality memang bagus, cuma bukan daripada datang kedai sebenar macam tu. Maybe. Kenapa? Korang nak tengok ada AirPod yang iPod besar tu, ada Apple Watch. Korang tahu kan, iPhone aku semalam pun made in China.
Betul kan?
Serius, kau tengok kan?
Made in China?
Kau tengok
Tengok apa?
gambar kotak tu. Ya. Yeah. Padahal beli direct machine tu. Sampai tu korang beli je kalau harga dia murah.
Kau beli habis?
Aku beli.
Tadi beli lah.
Aku rasa macam tertarik dengan AirPod tu, tapi tengoklah kalau harga dia, kalau ada harga saing-saing dekat tu, memang idok lah nya. Tapi aku tertarik dengan, kau tak nak lah nanti kan lama Apple keluar Android kat dulu. Dia macam wholesale weh. Oh my god, I'm going to crazy here walaupun phone aku dah hilang. But anyways, what I'm trying to get is maybe a case, phone case. Lepas tu kalau AirPod tu murah, maybe beli AirPod tu. Dyson murah pun beli Dyson. Kan? Why not? Kawasan-kawasan wholesale untuk barang-barangan dapur. See? Ni 10,000 TNJ dalam RM30. What's else? Ui, cantiknya. Looks so good. Tapi mesti berat gila, you know. Kita punya kg dah tak cukup. Tibalah kan, banyak gila jual apron yang wah, interesting. Oh 30,000 TNJ. How much is one? 37. It's around 300. Around 300, yes. This whole cup around RM80. Okay, I akan randomly say the harga sebab macam roughly lah, it's not the accurate, tapi if let's say ada price, kita cakap, wah, the teacup here, how much ah? But then it's very heavy lah. Kita punya tinggal berapa kg je. Paling-paling kita bawa balik pun baju hujan tu lah. Lah, anggur pun dijual ke? Oh, ni anggur fake. So cute. Diorang jual, oi.
Menara Taiwan.
Menara
Dekat Taiwan.
dekat Taiwan tu, yeah. That one is around 100 something.
Kalau aku nak jual barang ni kita tahu.
Huh? Popcorn machine. They even sell the popcorn machine. Coffee maker. How much?
Kalau dia boleh kecilkan dalam aku beli.
How much is the coffee maker? Weh, chocolate fountain punya ni. Betul bodoh. Ini memang gudang Shopee ni. Shein.
Nanti rumah dah siap aku nak datang ni lagi ya. Beli sini.
Tapi to be honest, kat sini tak ramai tourist. Memang tak ada orang tahu.
Memang kita je turis.
Memang kita je tourist. Yeah. So I think this place is quite underrated for you guys to come. To buy.
It's made for local.
It makes for local, yeah. But actually we are waiting for our friends yang local juga untuk to bargain. To bargain here. I'm from Malaysia. Malaysia. Keren.
Yeah. Malaysia. Mana?
You go here?
Malaysia. Ini Malaysia pak.
Okay.
Dia nak show off apanya. Tapi we'll come back the gadgets later boleh?
Oh, apa gadget tadi tu?
Gadget tu. Ana, we'll come back there. Nak beli something ke?
Kau nak beli apa?
Cuma tengok waktu sekarang kau 10.30 nak kena caw dah tau.
Oh. Ya bodoh. Okay.
Jom cuba tik.
Wah. Guys, this is really Shopee gudang. Not much tourists here. You guys should come here if let's say you're going to Almaty. Sebab
Kita kena masuk bangunan.
yes, the teacup.
Jangan.
Let's go. Apa nama market ni? Bystart Market. Because usually dekat TikTok we never found anyone recommend to go to buy something lah. Usually Green Bazaar, but actually this place is quite good. Macam tu. Tapi kalau kau jenis yang tak boleh tengok barang fake, kau janganlah datang kan. Aku okey je. Kau ingat kau barang Apple kau tu, bag kau orang tu made in mana? Lah, educate kan. Tak ada. Okey je. Cek kotak. Lah, iPhone aku pun assembled in China. Sorry. Assembled in China.
Made in California.
Made in
California kot.
California.
Is it?
Design in California actually. Design in California, I think. Mostly macam tu. Design in Switzerland. Ni assembled in China. Ni assembled in Bangladesh. You know. So jadi macam tu lah. Okay, kita nak pergi kawasan textile to buy some souvenirs, good souvenirs. Hopefully we got something that is cheap for us to bring, because my money tinggal dalam 20,000 TNJ. 20,000 TNJ around 100.5 je. Tak banyak. Nak kahwin beli box cincin kat sini. Nampak? A lot of jewelries here. But I'm not sure how much. Sebab kita punya fokus nak cari textile first, and then barulah with all the gadgets and also the jewelries. If ada yang menarik. Wow. It's a full of jewelries and the price is around 4,000 is 430 something. Yeah, 30 something. It's really interesting. 30 something, yeah. No, around 30 something. Okay lah.
They have this kind of
Yeah.
Yes.
your men's cosmetic.
Oh, 100 ringgit juga.
Ni Van Cleef.
Van Cleef and Appel. This one is around 40-ish. Macam tu. We are at Fresh Mango. Nak tunjuk Anang apa tu? This is buah naga.
Pomegranate.
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 Berarti
Pomegranate
ada 5. Sebab dia nampak perah buah naga tadi. It cost around 2,000 TNJ, around 17 lah. 70 ringgit fresh. Then we are at the bazaar. Kan apa nama bazaar ni? Tapi it's quite quite good. Mango?
Yes, really.
This is mango.
Yes, this
Yeah,
is
I want mango.
I
Nak share
want
ke?
5. No.
Nak share ke Ismail?
Boleh.
Mango.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, wow, it's so big the tomatoes. That's how they juice. At the next bazaar,
That's the next bazaar.
Dester Bazaar. Betul kot sebutnya. Tapi sini memang besar gila bazar. Sepanjang jalan ni. Okay. So kita just randomly jalan tengok apa dia. This is actually a real bowl. Okay. Kau rasa jangket Gucci. Brand Miu Miu. Tulisan Min. Tak baik. Aku ni baru lepas hilang phone pun tak apa. Tak tahu buat lagi.
Sudah. Kind of only for couple. Cantik lah.
So nice. Let's try this one.
Ni. Try this one.
Mana bikin dia?
No, this one. Dia kemarin.
Oh.
You can take a photo. Let's take a photo. You too. No, my hair is big.
310J. Around what harga? Around RM2 something. RM2
Ya,
something.
aku kan ni lah.
So cantik, nice, quite nice. Oh, not yet finished.
I tell you. Okay, and then this one, everything is 1,000 tenge. Oh. This is hand making. She's sitting and making.
Everything is 1,000 tenge.
You
Wow.
can take a photo.
Okay. Wow.
Haroy, butter. They are colored butter.
This one is cashmere. It's cost 2,500 tenge, around 20 ringgit saja. Cashmere scarf. Huh?
Dah design Loewe.
Loewe.
Loewe. Actually,
Outside the bazaar. Cuaca hari ni okey. Dia tak sejuk pun. Nampak tak? Dia okey-okey je. Suhu macam kat kamera kan. Tapi tak tahu berapa suhu dia. Berapa suhu sekarang Ahna?
dah tahu.
Dia tak sejuk. 6 Tapi dia okey. Dia macam, adakah kita dah immune
Ya kot.
akibat Simbulak?
Ada lain-lain. 6 betul lah 6.
6 Celsius. Then it's not okay lah. It's a good temperature. The tea is so good. The smell is very good. The fruit tea good. And the price is like 1 cup 500 tenge, around 400 something. So good. So I bought 1 cup. And I will serve my friends the tea. We bought this too, the strawberry, around 700 tenge. 700 tenge berapa? RM5, RM6 for 1 box. So big. Oh, sorry. Gaya macam nak masuk kamera.
Asyar je.
Sekali je tu. Tengok ni. Masuk je. Tapi hari ni berbaloi sebab kita beli cashmere banyak. RM20 apa? RM17 je. Taklah banyak, beli 2 tapi macam berbaloi.
Kau beli 2 je ke?
Aku beli 2 je.
Beli 3.
Sebab aku nak fikir kg aku punya bag. Kalau aku baki lagi 5 kilo, insyaAllah beli 10. Nak beli yang satin apa? Nak beli yang sutera cashmere tu. Oh, no.
Normal.
No money. Bye bye. Ada pula lah budak-budak ni. Bye bye. Tiba.
Heyo.
Orang tengah vlog-vlog ni tiba pula kan. Modus operandi diorang. Tapi literally memang kita tak ada duit dah pun.
Betul?
Bagi duit Malaysia nak?
Nak.
So now we are at the airport. Nak balik KL dah. Day 2 hilang phone. I'm literally don't have phone right now. I'm just have an
How's the
iPad.
feeling?
Dia sedih gila sebab I don't have money anymore to buy new phone. Lepas tu gambar semua tak sync lagi kan.
Macam travel tapi tak dapat nak memori balik.
Ya. Yeah.
Hilang.
Dah lah nak balik KL.
Itu saja.
Semoga yang mencuri tu tak baik lah kan.
Si Andex.
Tak baik lah anak ni. Tak apalah. Macam mana orang kata kalau Tuhan nak tarik rezeki tu bila masa dia tarik kan. Rezeki aku pula tu. Dia macam aku ni anak buangan ke? Macam tu. Sudah. Tu je lah. Dalam flight nak tidur je. Bye bye. Itu dah kira dah simbol lah semua tu. Itu saja vlog Almaty kita. Walaupun kita skip 2 hari sebab I don't have a mood sebab phone saya hilang. Bye bye. Jumpa di KL. Yeah, now dah sampai kat Malaysia. Tengok siapa ambil kita. Dan terus ke the real taste of ayam gepuk. Kan I cakap memang nak makan tu ayam gepuk. Dan ayam gepuk top global adalah yang paling sedap sekali. Korang kena dengar cakap aku lah. By the way. So itu sahaja kita punya vlog Almaty. I know that ada 2 hari yang I tak record sebab I really down waktu tu. Phone hilang. Very down. Foto-foto pun hilang. Betul juga kan? Segala gambar hilang sebab dia tak sempat sync to my iCloud. So 2 hari jugalah kita bersedih. Macam itulah. Mana yang ada je lah Okay, bye-bye.